tackle your year-end stock count like a pro. Whether you are running a small business or managing inventory for a larger organization, this is one task you cannot afford to get wrong. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you have all the tools you need to make your stock count smooth, accurate, and stress-free. And we've got a free checklist for you at the end to make things even easier for you. So don't miss out. We will look at this from various sections. Number one, section 1 is why year-end stock count matters. Why year-end stock count matters. Let's start with a big question. Why a year-end stock count so important? Well, it directly affects your financial statements, tax filings, and even your ability to make smart business decisions. A wrong count can mean lost profits, penalties, and penalties from inaccurate tax filings, or missed opportunities to reorder best-selling products. In short, get this right and your business thrives. Get it wrong and, well, you get the picture. Let's look at section number 2, pre-stock count preparations. Now, let's talk preparation. A successful stock count starts way before the actual counting begins. Here is what you need to do. Hey, organize your stock room. Clear out clutters, label shelves, and ensure every product is stored in its proper place. And B, update your inventory records. Print out your latest stock list and flag items that require special attention, like slow moving or damaged goods. And C, choose the right team. Assign experienced and detail-oriented people to count and supervise. And D, set a date and time. Choose a day when your operations are least active. Choose a day when your operations are least active. This is to avoid distractions. And in fact, you can choose a weekend. Number E, communicate clearly. Inform all team members and relevant departments of the stock count. Schedule well in advance. Remember, preparation is half the battle. Take the time to set up properly, and the count itself will be far smoother. And section 3, let's look at the conducting the stock count. Now on to the main event, how to execute the stock count itself. Number A, you need to use tally sheets or software. Make sure everyone have accurate count sheets or access to inventory software. Avoid manual errors at all costs. And number B, work in pairs. Have one person count while another records. This helps ensure accuracy. And number C, double check critical items. You need to double check critical items. For high value or high volume items, always do a count. Always do a second count. And number D, monitor and supervise. designate someone to oversee the process and resolve discrepancies on the spot. And number E, handle discrepancies immediately. If the physical count doesn't match your records, investigate right away. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to identify the issue. And last but not least, which is section 4, post-stock count. That is the wrap-up. The count is done. Now what? The final stage is just as important. Number A, reconcile records. Compare your physical counts to your inventory records and adjust as needed. B, analyze discrepancies. Understand why discrepancies occurred. Did items go missing? Were they miscounted or recorded incorrectly? And number D now. Take action. Use the results to plan your next steps, like reordering, addressing losses, or updating procedures. Well, we want to thank you for joining us today and watching this video. But let me just congratulate you. You are now equipped to handle your year-end stock counts like a pro. But don't stop here. We've got a free checklist to help you stay on track and avoid missing any critical steps. Click the link in the description to download it now, and also check the comment section to download it. Hey, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Subscribe to our channel and share it with your fellow business owners or colleagues. And also, if you are watching on Facebook, please share, like, and in fact, give us your own experience by way of comments. Let's know what you are experiencing in your business. And of course, ask your questions. And if you are coming our way for the very first time, why don't you follow us? Follow us. Let's make stock counting stress-free for everyone. See you in our next video. God bless you.